What's going on, everybody? This is Below Average Investor. I'm going to be talking about day 3 of the $2,000 Robinhood challenge. So, Friday, we didn't do too hot. We went down $21. Let me tell you about this little bump over here. We were up $100 at one point during the trading period. It was thanks to Celsius, our call option on Celsius. It reached 20 cents per option. Nobody was buying. We tried selling. It didn't work out. Went back down to 8 cents. I bought the options at 10 cents a share. So $10 for a 100 share contract. I'm currently down to $20, but I'm not too worried. There's this thing known as the January anomaly or the January effect, where investors they engage in tax selling at the end of the year to establish losses on stocks that may have declined in their portfolio, and then they reacquire them next year. So in the beginning of January, normally the first 15 days of January, they reacquire the shares back, and that's what drives the prices up a lot. So normally they sell the shares in late November, early December. As you can see on the graph over here, you can see right here it's early December, late November. I'd say this is where the January effect started. And because of the new year, everyone's buying their shares back. It puts a downward pressure on the market over here back in early December, late November, but it puts a very positive effect in January. So that's kind of what I'm banking on for this call option to persevere. Let's go through the rest of the portfolio. Celsius, I'll give you the 1 week update. It went up a lot. It went up to 485 and then went back down to 462. I'm a little worried though because it likes to fluctuate. As you can see, hit high fours, go back to mid fours. And it's kind of what we're seeing, but we were really banking on it to pass up $5 this time. We'll see where that goes. We've still got McDonald's. We're up 2.34% for a total return. Pepsi, we're still positive with Pepsi, even though, like I've been saying, this stock's just been plateauing lately. Microsoft, we're doing positive as well. We're up 2.1%, $6.64. Let's continue on with MTBC. They're an information systems company in the medical sector. They went up 0% on Friday, sadly, but we're still up 12%. I'm probably going to sell in the next week. Don't want to hold on to it for too long. Don't want to get greedy. That's the worst thing an investor can do. They just get too attached to a stock, hold it for too long, and they acquire more losses than they bargained for. Alibaba, we're going strong. We're going positive. We're up $11.30, 2.59%. Last stock, SNR. I acquired this on Friday. So this is a stock that manages housing for senior citizens. Like I was saying, with all the baby boomers, they're getting ready to retire. This stock is gonna blow up. 1 year, they're up 70%. They also pay dividends, I believe. Yeah, they have a 6.82% dividend yield, which is very nice. If you're a dividend investor, I'd look into it. Even if you're not, good value, positive return. And that's how we're doing. We're doing all right. We were at $2,086 in the beginning of the pre-market trading period on Friday, but we sadly dropped. If we didn't have that call option, I'd say we'd break even on Friday. No losses, no gains, but that's the stock market. You never know how it's going to turn out. Anyway, this is Below Average Investor. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.